If the light on your Dyson is flashing red, don't panic, it means you need a new battery because this one is faulty. But don't go anywhere because today I'm going to show you a quick, no-nonsense way how to change the battery, which battery to buy, and then finally, something you should always do with your new battery before you even use it. So this is a Dyson V7 and the V8 is similar too. We're not going to take the whole thing apart like some videos do. We're purely going to open the flap on the bin to give us a little bit more room. So make sure if you've got dust in there that you are over a waste bin. With the flap open, there's 2 screws to undo. These are cross-headed screws, and then there is one round the back as well. If you're here and you have a V6, you'll just need to take your bin off to get access to the screw on the bottom of the battery. Just pull this red lever down and then the bin will open, and then pull it down again and it will allow you to pull the bin off. Once these screws are undone, we can just pull out our battery and then put the new one on. Then replace the screws where you got them from and close the bin lid. And there you go, but don't turn it on yet because I've got a good tip for you in a second. Now very quickly, which battery do we need to buy? I know everyone's on a budget, but honestly, I've been doing this for years and I've stopped using the cheap Amazon batteries. It's entirely your choice, but I was getting customers coming back after 6 months. I don't want that in my life, so I always use the genuine batteries. Now, a minute ago, I told you not to turn your Dyson on when you've fitted your new battery, and there's a very good reason for this. They don't come fully charged, and the best way to give any new battery the best head start in life is to give it a full charge first. If you are waiting for your new battery to charge, why not check out this video here, which shows you how to clean your filter like you've never cleaned it before. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on my lovely face. I have loads more help videos and you never know when you might need me again.